All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. We just got done with day one of the Bassmaster Open here on Toledo Bend, and we had a pretty good day. I'm actually pretty happy with how the day unfolded. Ended up catching 17 pounds, 2 ounces, which, you know, a lot of you are gonna call me a sandbagger, but I did not catch a fish over 3 pounds. God honest truth, during practice. 4.5 days of practice, the biggest fish I had was probably around just the 3 pound even mark. But today I ended up catching a 3 1/4, I think one that was a little bit more than 3 1/4, and a 512 or something like that. And a couple other, you know, decent 2.5 pounders. So had a great day. And really, you know, what created this great day was just fishing really good. You know, as I was telling you guys, after practice, I'm really not on much. But the one thing that, you know, I did have is fishing shallow, you know, and just kind of junking it up shallow, which is something that I do very, very well. And today I ended up getting keyed in on a special little something, which we'll discuss after the tournament. Obviously, I don't want to be talking too much about it, you know, because got other competitors watching. But you know, I ended up just figuring something out and ran with it and had the best day that I've had since I've been here. So overall, great day, and I'm really excited about tomorrow. The craziest bite was that big one today, though. That thing absolutely crushed my top water. I mean, obliterated it. I didn't even think it was a bass. I thought it was like a bowfin or something like that, but it was incredible. So a really, really exciting day. Had like a lull in between, like I had a morning bite and then caught that one big one in the afternoon. But like in between, it was pretty darn quiet. There's not a whole lot going on. So yeah, so tomorrow I'm gonna make some adjustments. Hopefully the midday bite it gets a little bit better, just from, you know, figuring things out a little bit more. But yeah, I'm excited to get out there. I don't know what is left. You know, I fished my best stretch like 5 or 6 times today. So hopefully that we can catch, you know, some more fish that are in that, you know, 3 pound plus class. I really am hoping to get at least 12 pounds tomorrow. I think that that's going to be key for points, but I want to catch at least 15 pounds to give myself a shot at making a check. So anyways, guys, a lot of fun today. Really excited to get out tomorrow. And yeah, keep up with everything on bassmaster.com. I'll try to keep up with the bass track. I know that after I reached 12 pounds, I didn't really keep up with it, but I'll try better tomorrow. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, trust the process, and I'm going to see you out on the water.